Let's be honest, folks, is there anything better than a ripe, juicy tomato straight from the vine? The taste is unparalleled, and the satisfaction of knowing you grew it yourself is simply unbeatable. Forget those pale imitations from the supermarket. They may look the part, but they lack the soul and flavor of a homegrown tomato. We're talking about real flavor, the kind that explodes in your mouth. Each bite is a burst of sunshine, a reminder of summer's bounty. That's the magic of growing your own. You get to witness the transformation from a tiny seed to a lush fruit-bearing plant. Growing tomatoes isn't just about the taste, though. It's about the journey, the process, and the joy of seeing your hard work pay off. It's about getting your hands dirty, connecting with nature, and experiencing the satisfaction of nurturing something from a tiny seed to a bountiful plant. It's a therapeutic and rewarding experience. Plus, let's not forget the bragging rights that come with serving up your homegrown harvest. Imagine the pride in sharing a meal made with tomatoes you grew yourself. Trust me, anyone can grow tomatoes. It's not rocket science. With a bit of patience and care, you'll be amazed at what you can achieve. With a little know-how and some elbow grease, you'll be enjoying the fruits of your labor in no time. The key is to start small and learn as you go. So let's get down to the nitty-gritty of growing tomatoes like a pro. From soil preparation to the final harvest, we'll cover everything you need to know to become a tomato growing expert. First things first, you've got to choose the right tomato variety. There are hundreds of them out there, each with its own unique flavor, size, and growing habits. Feeling overwhelmed? Don't sweat it. Start by thinking about what you like. Prefer those sweet bite-sized snacks? Cherry tomatoes are your best bet. Looking for something meaty for slicing onto burgers? Go for beefsteak tomatoes. Want something with a little more character? Explore the world of heirloom varieties. Consider your space too. Got a small patio? No problem, there are plenty of compact tomato varieties perfect for containers. With a little research, you'll find the perfect tomato to suit your taste and your garden. Now let's get those hands dirty and talk about planting. There's something incredibly satisfying about starting your own garden, and tomatoes are a great place to begin. Tomatoes love the sun, so choose a spot in your garden that gets at least 6 hours of direct sunlight daily. The more sun, the better your tomatoes will grow. They're not too picky about soil, but it needs to be well drained. Nobody likes soggy roots. Good drainage ensures that your plants won't drown and will have access to the nutrients they need. When it comes to planting time, timing is everything. Wait until after the last frost has passed and the soil has warmed up. This ensures that your seedlings won't be damaged by unexpected cold snaps. You can start your tomatoes from seeds indoors a few weeks earlier. But honestly, buying seedlings from your local nursery is a whole lot easier. It saves time and gives you a head start on the growing season. Dig a hole slightly deeper than the seedling's root ball, gently place it in and backfill with soil. This helps the plant establish a strong root system. Water it in well and you're good to go. Consistent watering is key to healthy growth, so keep an eye on the moisture level of the soil. Section 4, Tomato TLC, Care and Keeping. Once your tomatoes are in the ground, they need a little TLC to thrive. Consistent watering is key, especially during dry spells. Stick your finger in the soil. If it feels dry an inch or two down, it's time to water. Tomatoes are hungry plants, so give them a boost with some fertilizer every few weeks. You can use a balanced all-purpose fertilizer or go organic with compost or manure. As your tomato plants grow taller, they'll need some support. Stake them up, cage them in, or let them sprawl on a trellis. This prevents them from flopping over and makes harvesting a breeze. Section 5. Reaping the rewards, harvesting time. This is the moment every gardener looks forward to, the culmination of weeks and months of hard work and patience. Now, for the moment we've all been waiting for, harvesting those juicy tomatoes. It's a rewarding experience to see the fruits of your labor finally ready to be picked. How can you tell when a tomato is ripe? This is a crucial step to ensure you get the best flavor and texture from your tomatoes. It should be firm to the touch and have a rich, deep color. The skin should be smooth and free of blemishes. Give it a gentle squeeze. If it gives slightly, it's ready to pick. This slight give indicates that the tomato is juicy and ripe inside. Twist the tomato gently until it breaks off the vine, or use a pair of pruning shears for a clean cut. This helps to avoid any damage to the plant. Avoid pulling on the plant, as this can damage the stems. Gentle handling ensures the plant remains healthy for future harvests. Once you've harvested your bounty, store your tomatoes at room temperature. This helps them to retain their flavor and texture. Avoid refrigerating them, as this can affect their flavor and texture. Cold temperatures can make tomatoes mealy and less enjoyable to eat. Enjoy them fresh or use them to whip up some delicious sauces, salsas, or salads. The possibilities are endless with homegrown tomatoes. Nothing beats the taste of homegrown. The satisfaction of eating something you've grown yourself is unparalleled. So get out there, get your hands dirty, and start growing your own tomato bounty today. Happy gardening!